everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica, and today I have my Child of the 80s Project Pan update for you. A little nervous about this one because I do have some empties, some rollouts, and that means I have to roll stuff in, which, you know, when you're already overwhelmed with all the stuff you're working on, it just makes it that much more overwhelming. It's okay, we got this. I'm not sure how I'm feeling about the orange look today. It's a little bit different than anything I would normally wear, but I thought, you know what? It's in your basket. Use it. Play with it. Some things work, some things don't. It is what it is. All right, let's get into this. This was created by Jalon for the PANtastic Ladies. This is in its second year. Last year it was 40 prompts. This year there's 80 prompts. How very appropriate. And it's all about like 80s pop culture, which I love because, you know, I was a child in the 80s. And this is bringing back some serious memories. I'm loving it. All right, let's get into my empties and my rollout. The first one is for the prompt number 40, Strawberry Shortcake. Smells fruity, or it's fruit themed. I think, which one was it? Which one was it? I had two soaps. Okay, it was this one. It was the Pina Colada Guest Soap, because, you know, Pina is pineapple and coconut, so that is that one. It is done. Number 60, Wax On, Wax Off. It's a product that contains wax. I had a lotion bar. It is done. It had Candelia wax in it. And Ghostbusters number 57, which y'all know I am a big time Ghostbusters person. So something green, I had the green apple bath soap. And the very last one that is rolling out is number 8, Let's Get Physical. Something that makes you feel sexy, or it's sex themed. I chose NARS Orgasm, and I wanted to use it 5 times, which I did. It still barely looks used, but 5 times on a blush, it's not a lot. All right, so that is everything that is rolling out. Let me show you what is continuing on before I show you what we are bringing in. For 35, Relax. It's a favorite bath or pampering product. This is the Avon Nail Experts Nail Soak. I didn't use it because I haven't had time. That's my story, and I'm sticking to it. Everything else I really, I kind of worked on, except for one thing I didn't work on. Yeah. I make a lot of sense, don't I? It's late at night. It is what it is. 41, The Moonwalk, a black or white item. I have the Jessica Nails Nourish Therapeutic Cuticle Formula. I love the smell of it. I don't know why. I want to use this 8 times, and I've used it 4. So, yeah, I've got 4 more to go on that. 70, Footloose, a product that was forbidden when you were a teen. I have the Calvin Klein Eternity Perfume. I want to get 5 uses. I've done 2 uses so far, and I forgot to turn my sound off on my computer. And 73, We Are the World. It's a universal product that anyone can use. I have the Kava Bath Bar. It's an exfoliating, massaging bath bar. And anyone can use this. Young, old, male, female, doesn't matter. It's for everyone. I just haven't used it because I've been working on other soaps, clearly, because I finished 2 of those in this last update. So, yeah, I will definitely get to this one if I can pick it up without pulling it out of its packaging again. I will get to this one in the next month. So this should be done by the next update. I should have, hopefully, my uses on the Cuticle Moisturizer as well as the Eternity Perfume. So hopefully 3 more things will roll out. That is the goal, because I always want to be rolling new stuff in because I want to get through all of the prompts. That's why I pick easy goals, because this is my one and only usage kind of project. And yeah, it's fun. It's a lot of fun. The 80s were a fun time. All right, let's move on to what I am bringing in. If I remember, and that's a big if because sometimes I forget these things, I will be doing a screen grab of me rolling for the 4 new prompts. All right, let's get into this. Number 45, Can't Buy Me Love. That is a free gift with purchase. I don't have anything like that. I very rarely shop at Ulta, and I don't go into the store. If I get anything, I order it online, and I very rarely get samples with those things. And again, I don't purchase from there very often. I don't shop at Sephora. I haven't for years. So I didn't have anything free gift with purchase. But once upon a time, way back in the day, I did get a free birthday gift, and I'm pretty sure it was from Sephora. So I thought, that counts, right? It kind of counts. So that's what I'm going to use because I don't have any gift with purchase. So I have the Depotted Tarte Party Blush. I think everyone had this blush. I have 2 of them. And my goal is going to be to finish this thing. I know it's a lot, but I already have Pan, and the ring is showing. It just got rolled out of Nightmare on Panning Street, which is another Jalon project, oddly enough. So I'm just going to keep working on this and see if I can't get that finished. Let's see. Number 6, I have the Tiger, an eye product. I'm going to show you that in 1 second because I also got 20 Ferris Bueller's Day Off, which is a wild or out of your comfort zone product. They're both in the same palette. Coastal Scents 88. I wasn't sure if I was going to touch this at all this year, but there's not a lot that is out of my comfort zone. Clearly, with this crazy orange look, I wear a lot of colors, and I'm okay with a lot of colors. I don't have any issues wearing red lipstick. They're hard to pan, but they're not wild or uncomfortable to me. I just, you know, they take a long time for me to pan. The only things that are truly wild or uncomfortable for me to wear are gray, silver, or blue eyeshadows. And I'll probably never love them, but they're less out of my comfort zone now because I have been panning stuff. So I'm going to go with blue eyeshadow because I'm already working on a silver in Sultry. It's a beautiful silver, actually, because it's a taupey silver, but I just didn't want to put another silver in, and we all know my love for blue eyeshadow. So I am putting in my blue eyeshadow for Ferris Bueller's Day Off, the Wild Out of Control item, and Eye of the Tiger, an eye product. So I've got 2 eyeshadows in here. I will try not to blind you with the mirror. This is the blue eyeshadow right here. It almost looks purple. It is not. I will show you a swatch in a second. So this is my Ferris Bueller's, and this one is going to be for Eye of the Tiger, which of course makes me think of, if you're Supernatural fans, you will know Eye of the Tiger. It's a Dean thing. These are the swatches. That is the blue that kind of looked purple in the pan, but is definitely blue, and this is the other one. So those are the 2 eyeshadows out of here. I am most likely going to depot them out of here and repress them into other pans so I can put them in my magnetic palette and actually get usage out of them, because I just ignore this palette. It's too big and too bulky, and I just don't pay any attention to it. So it will get ignored if I don't repress those shadows. All right, now moving on to the very last one, 48 Steel Magnolias, something that is floral themed. It could be the scent, it could be the name, what have you. Flower on the packaging, it didn't matter as long as there was like some kind of floral thing going on there. I chose another Guess soap, again, because I'm trying to get through things quickly. And this is in Sweet Pea, which is, of course, a flower. So hopefully I will have maybe another empty. The Kava is going to be my first priority since it's been in longer, but if I get through that, then I'm going to work on this one after that and see if I can't get through some more stuff, get some more empties, and keep rolling in different products and prompts and stuff like that, because I find it fun. I do. There's going to be a list of people that have joined down below. I had like a little bubble pop out of my mouth. That was really weird. It's been a weird day. It has. Jalon's going to be down there. Check her out. She comes up with some amazing projects. She's got some coming up, and I'm pretty sure there's another one coming up, or it's already started. I don't remember the date on it, so, be on the lookout for more stuff from Jalon. if you want to join in, we would love to have you in on this project. It is a ton of prompts, but you know, we'll figure it out. We will. I've had some other people that are not part of the Facebook group that have gotten access to all of the prompts. We want you to join us if you want to join in. All right, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you in my next video, have a beautiful day.